but they conducted an internal investigation and submitted a report. In a significant development in the Paul Paraka payment scandal, former Solicitor General Neville Devete testified via Zoom from Darwin, Australia, addressing Chief Justice Gibbs Salika in the National Court. Devete stated that payments to Paul Paraka Lawyers did not follow proper procedures and violated Supreme Court orders and a National Executive Council (NEC) decision. He explained that typically, the Solicitor General must approve any legal bill before the Finance Department processes payment. Despite this, payments were made directly from the Finance Department without such clearance. He also noted that even though then-Solicitor General John Kumura gave clearance to the Finance Department, it was invalidated by the NEC decision that stopped all payments to Paul Paraka Lawyers. 2 Supreme Court orders restraining the payment to the law firm were also taken out by the state in 2006. All secretaries of the Department of Justice and Attorney General, as well as the Finance Department, were aware of the Supreme Court stay orders and the NEC decision but ignored these when making the payments to Paraka Lawyers. During cross-examination, Yafi's defense lawyer, Edward Sasingen, highlighted that Devete's letters and testimony did not explicitly mention Yafi. Sasingen argued that the evidence presented pertained primarily to Paul Paraka's case and lacked direct references to Yafi, suggesting a potential misalignment of evidence. Devete acknowledged that the Department of Attorney General had no authority over the reserved trust account within the Finance Department and that the payments were made despite orders from the National Executive Council and the court not to pay Paraka Lawyers from that reserved trust account. He pointed out that the Department of Justice and Attorney General only had shared rights over an account in the Finance Department, which would need the Solicitor General's clearance to pay out a lawyer or law firm. Paul Paraka was convicted in 2023 of misappropriating over 162 million kina of state funds and is currently serving a 20-year prison sentence. The trial is set to continue on Monday, March 24, with Prime Minister James Marape expected to testify. Former Attorney General Karenga Kwa will also provide evidence. Devete fled Papua New Guinea in fear for his life after being threatened for stopping the Paraka legal bills and has been residing in Australia with his family.